Right, this is my favorite productivity tool of all time. It's called the Airtable Web Clipper. And you can move anything from the internet over to your Airtables. As you can see, I have some for content, for the resources that we talked about setting up before, delegating a task to my team members, for SOPs as well, and also basically everything. So use this over and over and over and over. I'll show you an example. So I think of a task that I want to delegate to one of my team members. Let's say it's Maiko. I'm going to hit add task, and then I'm going to say add the web clipper video to self mastery program. Boom. And then Maiko, and find in Loom. And then that has added it to her task dashboard. So I can easily delegate and get things off my plate, right? I use this for everything. Or let's go in here to Loom. One of my favorite things to do is create SOPs in Loom and then add it to my SOP board. So I can go in here, I can add in the SOP to my business OS. If you don't have this yet, we can definitely talk about it. But let's change this name to, this was how to use text replacements. Cool. And then I can put this in operations. I can put this in this Luma tool in there. Let's say Airtable. Perfect. And then I can grab the SOP from Loom. Boom. And copy that bad boy in here. Perfect. And then I can go down here and delegate that SOP to whoever I want to delegate it to. And now it's off my plate. So this is a process. I want to send it to Maiko. Usage, this would be when needed. And then this would be send SOP. Perfect. So now she got a task too, which is one of the cool productivity hacks that I'll share with you later on. But boom, that's how we can use these Airtable web clippers to be really freaking cool and get a lot off our plate, and also to save things like content, right? So I can go in here and let's say there's a content piece from, let's say, Talking More, boom, that I want to model. Then I can go in here and find, cool, maybe I want to model this piece of content. Then I can go up here, go to content, and this will be Talking More content, something like this. And I can copy this, boom. All right, perfect. And copy, boom. And then go down here, status, creation, content type is a long call to action post. Yes, and me. And then I can go back to that to model that content and create that content super fast, right? So let's get into setting up your first Airtable web clipper. So the first thing we want to do is go into edit and go into the data side of things and go over to our tasks. And this is how we can easily add new tasks inside of our human OS. So what we want to do is go to extensions here on the right-hand side, and then we want to add an extension. And we're going to search for web clipper, boom, hit add, and yes, add extension. And extension installed, boom, cool. So it's right here. And then I'm going to open extension to continue. So I can do this, go up here, and now it's opened. And then I'm going to go into the task board, add record to tasks, and add extension. And here, I don't want the task here to actually be the name. So I'm going to add other fields like details, importance, effort, status. Those are all really good. If I want to tie it to a project, tie it to a goal, that sort of stuff, and maybe I want to remove this one. So then I can say open extension, cool. and it's right here. So let me go here, and maybe I want to assign myself a task of complete the Airtable Web Clipper video. Cool. And doing it now under details, importance, very important today, effort, little effort, status today, cool. And I could tie it to a project such as the Evolve videos, cool. Add record, awesome. And then I can go in here and I can find that record right here. Complete the Airtable video clipper. So I could be anywhere on the internet and delegate myself a task or really create absolutely anything to add to Airtable from these web clippers. Awesome. So that's about it for this video. Hop in there, create your own web clippers anywhere on the internet, and get that going and start working at lightning speeds. That's about it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.